What is the planned payment in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy? Hi, I'm attorney Leroy Roberson back, and I wanted to talk about this topic because I've mentioned the planned payment before in previous videos, and I wanted to make a video to kind of break down exactly what that payment is and how it works. So what the planned payment is in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, that's the monthly payment that you're going to be making to the Chapter 13 trustee every month for the duration of your plan. And that plan is going to be anywhere from 3 to 5 years. So you're going to every month make a payment to the trustee, and they're going to use that money to pay off your creditors. Now, your planned payment is based on a few different things. The first thing they're going to base it off of is whatever arrears that you're putting into your plan. So if you have an arrears on your mortgage, let's say it's $20,000 for an example, that $20,000 is going to go into your planned payment. And they're going to take that plus any attorney's fees that you may not pay up front to the attorney is going to go into that planned payment. And then the trustee is also going to take a fee. In California, that fee is about 11%. And in other states that it could vary. So the percentage of your total amount that's in the plan, that's the trustee's percentage that's also going to go into that plan, but it's going to be broken down over 3 to 5 years to make that payment. And so what you're going to make sure that you do is every month you have to make that payment, because if you fall behind on that planned payment, it's one of the crucial things that can get your case dismissed in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Because if you don't make the payment, the trustee is going to file a motion to dismiss your case for failing to make that payment. So it's really, really important to make the payment, to make sure that you stay on top of your bankruptcy, so you make sure your case does not get dismissed. And the way that your unsecured creditors work in the Chapter 13 planned payment is, so when you're in Chapter 13, your plan can be anywhere from 0% to 100%. And if it's at 0%, that means your unsecured creditors are going to get 0% of whatever's getting paid back through those planned payments. If it's at 100%, that means that they're going to be getting paid full amount of whatever they put in for the proof of claim. So let me talk about this proof of claim. In a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, when you file it and you're going to serve all of your creditors, every creditor has to file a proof of claim, which shows what you actually owe them. And that's the amount that would go into the planned payment. So for your unsecured creditors, let's say they file a proof of claim one files a proof of claim for $10,000, they would get a percentage of whatever's due on that $10,000 based on whatever percent plan that you file. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to make this quick video so you really understood what the planned payment was, how it worked, and how important it is to making sure that you stay in that Chapter 13 bankruptcy, don't get your case dismissed, and you receive your discharge at the end. So if you have any other questions about any of this, feel free to let me know, and we can definitely talk more about that. If not, have a great day, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.